Hey, and today is Trayvon Cooper's birthday. January 28, 2011. I just wanted to say hey to Trey if he's watching, and hey to Rance Hatchell. Yeah, this is Caitlin here. Oh, today was boring. Don't you hate boring things, Tess? I know you do. Well, peace. Oh, hey, not peace yet. Oh. And Rance just wanted to say hey. Don't check him out because he doesn't have a channel. Okay? But if he did, it'd be Rance Hatchell at youtube.com. You know that, right? It'd probably be 9 or 8 at the end, you know? 8 or 9. Toodaloo. Anybody in my class, just want to say hey, and this is Caitlin going. Peace.